Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel Let's Spread Happiness. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I will tell you how to delete particular unwanted emails from Gmail inbox because it's very time consuming and difficult process to delete emails one by one which are not required by you anymore or which are unwanted emails. So let me show you. For example, if I want to delete emails from LinkedIn, click an email and you can see here the address of sender is given. Copy this address and we will paste it in our filter list we will create now. Right click, copy it, and here you can see the settings option, setting icon. Click this setting icon and under setting, see all setting. I will select see all settings, and under settings find and select filters and blocked address. Here under filters, I have already created 3 filters because I have blocked emails from Facebook freelancer. So create a new filter. Here you can see the option of creating a new filter. I will create new filter and I will simply paste the address I have recently copied. I pasted the address here, and you can also select here subject of particular emails or some words which that particular email has which you want to delete. So I will simply now select this option create filter, and here the action you want to do with that email address. For example, if you want to mark all those emails as read, mark this option, or if I want to delete it, I will simply click this delete it option, check this option, delete it, and create filter. So once this particular filter list is created, again click this edit and search option. Click this and it will show the all relevant emails, unwanted emails which you have selected in address bar, and select all and then click delete, and all those emails containing that particular address or particular words or filter query will be deleted. So when I will check it from my inbox, no relevant email from that particular address has been found in email inbox. So I hope this video will be useful for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Stay subscribed. Allah Hafiz.